Till now we have discussed about the simple tissue which is found in plant cells, simple permanent tissue. Now we just move on to the complex permanent tissue. The major difference, like I had previously also stated, between complex and simple permanent tissue is that the complex permanent tissue is made up of number of different types of cells. Number of different types of cells. The main function of such tissue is that a lot of different types of cells will come together and they will perform one common function. So mainly in the previous flowchart also we saw there were two examples of complex permanent tissue in plants. First one was xylem, second one was phloem, right? So two main tissues, xylem and phloem. The common feature of both xylem and phloem, I'll just state over here, common feature of both xylem and phloem is that they comprise of the conducting tissue and vascular tissue. So both of them are conducting and vascular tissue. Now this vascular tissue is very important because it is one of the most distinctive complex tissues which is present in plants. We also say that plants have usually have a terrestrial adaptation, that is they grow on land. For this adaptation, this vascular tissue is very important. Okay, now we can move on to the different types of cells which are present in both xylem and phloem as well. Xylem is mainly involved in transport of water, so it will help in transport of water, whereas phloem will mainly be involved in transfer of food, right? So from the green leaves leaves के अंदर जो mesophyll cells होते हैं, mesophyll cells they synthesize food. From there, usually the food enters into the bundle sheath cells and then into the phloem, and from the phloem the food is transported to wherever it is required. Whereas xylem mainly plays a major role in transport of water from roots to the leaves as well as from leaves to any other part of the body as well. So mainly water conducting tissue and food conducting tissue. Now let us see what are the different cells which are going to be present in your xylem and phloem. So your xylem is made up of a number of different types of cells. Mainly you are going to have 4 different types of cells. First one are tracheids. You have vessels. Then you have xylem parenchyma. And you have xylem fibers. Like I said, the xylem is made up of 4 different types. The tracheids and vessels are highly tubular structure. They have a thick cell wall as well, and so just I'll make a combined note that they are tubular, as well as they help in carrying the water lot. So they are also some of the whenever the xylem tissue is differentiated, most of the tracheids and vessels comprise of the dead tissue cells, right? So both these elements are mainly associated with the tubular function, that is they are tube-like structure and help in transport. The parenchyma, xylem parenchyma helps in storage of food. The xylem parenchyma helps in storage of food, whereas the xylem fibers mainly provide structural support. So this is all about your xylem over here. Now let us move on to the phloem cells as well. So before I erase this, just a quick revision. Tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers and their associated functions. Now we just quickly see about phloem. Phloem is, like I said, the major tissue which is helping in transporting food from the leaves to different parts of the body. Now there are 5 different cells which are going to be present in the phloem. The first type of cell which is going to be present in the phloem is going to be sieve cells. Second is going to be sieve tubes. The third type is going to be companion cells. The fourth type is going to be phloem parenchyma. And the last, fifth one is going to be phloem fibers. Okay, all these are going to be involved in transport of food from one place to the another, whereas only the phloem fibers is the dead part, whereas all other are going to be your different living tissues. So, like I said, xylem and phloem mainly responsible for conducting food and water respectively, and these are the 5 different types of xylem. These are the 5 different types of, you can say, cells which are going to be present in your phloem.